Welcome back. We are in day 22. We are going to learn reporting and analytics in Business Central. So, we will be seeing built in reporting capabilities in Business Central and also creating a custom report. So, if you have missed the previous videos, okay, so like day 19, day 18, please go and watch it in the playlist, and you can find the playlist in my channel goms tech talks channel. And you have one more playlist which you should watch is what functional bc functional consultant 101 mastering the essentials. This playlist has various videos, the basic videos which you should understand and know, like how to walk through, okay, like various business central, everything. These are the ebook resources which I have prepared for the business central community, and also for I'll be preparing for power apps, power bi, and everything. Okay, so here you can find that you have various ebooks references. These are all ebooks. Okay, al mastery in 3 weeks, which I have covered the complete information about al mastery. That is, we have discussed about the 21 days al programming challenge. And this is Microsoft mastering business central functional consultant. This is a Q&A, that is interview question and answers for between beginners to intermediate level, that is 2 to 5 years. So 0 to 5 years, that is beginners to 2 to 5 years. So this is for functional consultant, and this is for the al programming. Okay, this 100 plus, nearly I think it will be 120 plus questions which will cover the entire al programming. This is the interview question and answers for al programming, which is based on this particular book. Okay, and this is a interview question and answers for business central developers. So this is a part one which I have curated for the freshers. Okay, so part 2 will be for the intermediate level, and part 3 will be for the advanced level. I'm creating that, so please stay tuned. And this is for the 20 must have checklist for the functional consultants. What are the checklist you should have, whatever I am covering in the video. Okay, so this book will be provided for free for the members who are there with me from the day 1 towards the day 41. And they should be interacting with me often with the exercises and everything. Okay, so they'll be getting this 20 checklist. And if you are not a member but you wanted to get the checklist, you can buy it from here. Okay, so this is the complete ebook content, that is ebook collection. I'll be updating this every month. Okay, and if you have any queries, if you wanted to connect with me, you can connect with me through this particular topmed account. So here you can connect, and like if you have any queries, if you want any specific doubts you want to deal with, if you are a fresher in business central, if you want to know more about it, then you can definitely schedule a call with me. Okay, anything. So what all these things, all these links I have given in the description, so you can find these things in the description. So this is the schedule a call with me business central ebooks, that is ebook resources. So here you can find it, so please don't forget to watch this. Okay, and this is the 41 days channel, that is a 41 days functional consultants bootcamp playlist. You can check here. So the tutorial can be viewed by everyone, but the exercises and solutions are only available for the members. Okay, so I'll be connect I'll like you can just continue with the today's topic. I will tell you more about each and every book, like what is this book. I'll just release a separate video for every book individual. So today, as I told, we are going to discuss about the reports, basic reports. Okay, so to adapt business to your company needs, there are some reports which are already there, which Business Central has set. Okay, so that is, reports are like a consolidated data about everything. So whenever you go, like, you can first of all, before generating a report, I just wanted to tell you that please go to the settings. Okay, you should have the company logo. Okay, so go here and go to the company information and set your company logo. Okay, so here you have a picture, right? So this picture will be there in the report. So if you don't set the picture here, your company logo here, please go and set it now. So there, as I told, there will be a default reports which will be there in every card. For example, you can check for the items probably. So let us just go and search for the item card, item list. So whatever item. So if you just go and click on the item lists. Okay, So there you can see the option called reports. Okay, I'm just watch my cursor. So if you click on this report, you can see the reports which are based on assembly production. So assemble to orders report, where used report, quantity explosion of BOM report, issue history, inventory related reports are there, orders related reports are there. Okay, so if you want the one, you can even select it here, item vendor catalog. Okay, so if you want to print the item vendor catalog report here, you can simply go and check here what are the type what which item number you wanted to see, and the vendor number to which vendor we have just given, and you can just click here for the preview. Okay, so you can just simply delete it and just click preview. So it is generating a report for the item vendor catalog. Okay, so it is showing the report for you, and it is the item description, starting, lead time, vendor, item, and the direct code. So this is how a report looks like. Okay, so here they have given the item vendor catalog like that. Almost in all the list you can find some reports. For example, if I'm clicking here transfer orders, so most of the reports you will be having, or else in some it is not, if it won't be applicable. Okay, like this. So even if you can see all the reports here which are directly available, this all reports. Okay, you can simply select here all reports to see what are the possible reports which are there. Okay, so what are the reports which are you have, you can just find it related to human resource, how many reports you have, nearly 13 reports you have, employee absence by cause, employee address, so everything like that. You have various report based on the domain, like company hub, system admin report, manufacturing report, a human resource report, purchasing report, resource, warehouse, services. All the reports will be directly available to you, so you can just go and print it. That's it. Okay, this is a simple way of utilizing the existing report. Okay, so if you I can also show you one more thing. If you just go and search for inventory, so here you can see inventory, and even here you can see inventory, go to report analysis, right? So you can see here that there is an inventory, that is inventory reports. You can see that is report analytics for inventory. You have this much reports you have. Okay, which is only related to inventory. And you can even select this inventory top 10 list. If you wanted to see, you can simply preview from here. Okay, top 10 list of inventories. So this is one, like the inbuilt reports whatever is available in Business Central. So what are the other possible ways is, what you can simply print it as a PDF, print it directly, like for example, if you say employees, if you go and check for employee addresses, and if you want to print, okay, then you can click here print, which will be connected with your printer. So I don't have a printer, so if you want to save it as a PDF, you can also save it. Okay, or else you can, if you even if you wanted to save it as various formats. So here you can see the formats like employee labels, and you can see like send to. Okay, if you click here send to, it will show you various formats. So here you have a schedule option. So if you want to schedule this print, you can also do that. Okay, so Microsoft Excel, you can click here schedule, and you can click here okay. So this is also possible with the existing print reports. If you wanted to create custom report, okay, so I no, I wanted to edit the report, then you can just go and search for report and selection, uh, report layout selection, sorry, report layouts. So you can just go and select here report layout. So here you can see all the reports, okay, every reports which are there. So I just wanted to tell you that if you wanted to create a report, okay, so you can just click here. Okay, click on the report and view the report. That is also possible. If you wanted to export this layout, or replace this layout, set the default and everything, you can also do this if you want to run the report. Or else if you wanted to edit the info here, you can even edit the info. Okay, so here this editing the info directly, it's not possible because this is an audience report and it's a built-in report. So if you want to edit the report, that is even more thing, like you have to open that. If any Excel file is there, no, you can. Okay, here let us try to edit. Okay, it is not possible, the layout because it's provided by an. Okay, so this is a default report. You cannot edit it directly. The thing is, you can just make a copy of this and create it. Okay, and you can just try to edit it, and you can create a new one. Okay, so in the new one, you can select the report layout name, you can give the description available for the all company, and you can create a new layout for the report. Okay, for what you're going to create, you are creating a new report, you can customize that report. So for which ID you wanted to create a report, I wanted to create for this ID. So whatever the ID, you can select it, which report you wanted to create, and what is the report layout, demo. Okay, and what is the format, like Excel or a Word or something. So click here and click OK, and you can browse and upload the Excel layout of your file and click OK, where your report will be generated here. Okay, so I have also discussed this in the Business Central learning path for technical consultant, because it is a little technical to do this. So if you wanted to watch that, I will also leave that link in the description. Please go and check that. So that's all for the today's video, that we have discussed about the built-in reports and creating a custom reports for you. So tomorrow I'll be discussing the exercise for day 22, that is today, and also the solution day after tomorrow, which will be available for the member. And then on day 25, I'll see you all subscribers and the viewers for discussing about manufacturing, that is understanding the production orders and BOMs and routings. If you have any queries, please leave your queries in the comment box, and all the documents will be available in Amazon. I'll be sending the pre-orders link to you. So if you want that, please comment that. Thank you. Take care and bye bye.